Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas ornaments available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Emo Peak Christmas Ornaments. These small Christmas balls set make great addition to your Christmas and holiday decoration. These shatterproof Christmas tree balls are combine the beauty and luster of real glass with the unbreakable practicality of plastic. This Emo Peak EM2 Christmas balls has 4 different surface material that will make your Christmas tree look more beautiful. That includes 4 styles: shiny, matte and screw thread. Christmas ball ornaments are made of thicker high-quality plastic and more sophisticated processing. The hooks for Christmas balls included to make hanging easier. At number 6 we have Cocoa Christmas Ornaments. These gingerbread ornaments are made of soft plastic material, durable and great quality, will last for years. Christmas decorations. These gingerbread man ornaments have very adorable looking and very lightweight. Each gingerbread ornament is about 3 tall, neither mini size nor large size. It is suits perfect for small or medium size Christmas tree decorations. This gingerbread are using soft plastic material to replace clay material, which is more durable and great quality. The pack includes 12 pieces different gingerbread ornaments and comes with a string for easy hanging. At number 5 we have Love in USA Christmas Ornaments. This ornament balls are made of durable eco-friendly plastic and harmless flashlight powder. This Christmas ornaments come with 5 different styles. That's featuring electroplated red ball, flash power ball, golden glitter box-like ornament, and adopted electroplating technique on 2 layers, color fast and pretty looking. Each Christmas ball ornament equips a dismountable hook with lace rope for you to hang it easily. This tree balls comes with lightweight and won't weigh down the Christmas tree branches. This chic-inspired ball ornaments will add a touch of glamour to any style of Christmas decoration. At number 4 we have OUXI Christmas Ornaments. It comes with 8 pieces Christmas decorations in 4 different styles. The Christmas decorations made of pure natural burlap are not only soft in texture, light in material, good in feeling, but also very durable and not easy to be damaged. They can make your home more festive atmosphere. Let your friends enjoy the joy of the festival. And we check every ornaments before packing and shipping. They are a good addition to the Christmas tree. They can not only dress up the Christmas tree, increase the festive atmosphere, but also bring good luck and happiness to the family. At number 3 we have Lenox Christmas Ornaments. You can celebrate your bundle of joys first holiday season with this pristine silver-plated Rudolph ornament. At number 2 we have Van Leeuwen Christmas Ornaments. This Christmas tree skirt is made of high-quality plush fabric, well-made, soft and thick, feel comfortable. The white Christmas tree skirt, elegant and classic colors with realistic snowflake patterns, looks simple and noble. It can create a beautiful snow scene under the Christmas tree, which is more suitable for Christmas atmosphere. The Christmas tree skirt adopts hidden Velcro. The edges are stitched and there is no trace. The Velcro at the opening allows you to fix the tree skirt in place, which is easy to fix and is more convenient than ribbons without affecting its beauty. The white Christmas tree dress is durable and an essential accessory for Christmas. The white Christmas tree skirt is full of festive atmosphere. At number 1 we have Tie Bang Christmas Ornaments. Each wooden decorative hanging ornaments has a hole and string to make hanging easier. Do not need other tools, just hang on the places you want to decorate. This wooden ornaments kit is fashionable style, delicate, durable usage. You can write a best blessing to your family or friends on the back of the hanging ornaments decoration. This decorative hanging ornaments have different styles, designs that will make your Christmas tree look more beautiful. This 32 pieces wooden hanging set for your holiday increases the festive atmosphere. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas ornaments for your need.